Are you thinking of introducing laser hair removal into your salon or clinic? If so, come and learn how to carry out these treatments with me. You're going to learn about all of the ins and outs of laser versus IPL, which machine you should be looking for, exactly how to carry out safe treatments, and we're going to practice on this amazing machine here, which is a triple wavelength diode laser called Evolution Ice. We'll have a quick look. Here we go. Let's press go. So we'll learn how to carry out safe treatments on all skin types, from skin type 1, white English, to skin type 6, black Afro-Caribbean. As well as that, we're going to learn a very important part of the training course, which is the business side of things. How to get an affordable machine, how to work out how much you're going to repay every month, and more importantly, how to market those treatments and how to actually make a profit. Because if you don't make a profit, there's no point in introducing this into your business, is there? So if you'd like some more information, get in touch today.